Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain a very important logistics topic. What is CFA, what is depot, and what is distributor? If you are preparing for a logistics job, warehouse job, or supply chain interview, this topic is very important for you. I will explain it in very simple and practical language. First, understand the full supply chain flow. Company manufactures goods in factory. From factory, goods move to CFA or depot. From there, goods go to distributor. Finally, distributor supplies material to retailers and then to customers. Now let's understand each one clearly. CFA means carrying and forwarding agent. CFA is a third-party agency appointed by a company to store and dispatch goods on behalf of the company. CFA does not own the goods. The stock belongs to the company. CFA only stores, handles, and dispatches material as per company instruction. In real life, when goods come from factory, they're unloaded at CFA warehouse. CFA maintains stock records, prepares invoices as per company system, and arranges dispatch to distributors. CFA earns service charges or commission for handling and storage. Now let's understand depot. Depot is usually company-owned warehouse. The main difference between CFA and depot is ownership and control. In depot, company directly controls operations and sometimes stock is transferred as branch transfer. Depot staff are usually company employees. In many companies, the word CFA and depot are used interchangeably, but practically, CFA equals third-party handling warehouse. Depot equals company-controlled warehouse. Next, let's understand distributor. Distributor is a business partner who purchases goods from company or depot and sells them to retailers. Distributor owns the stock after purchase. Once invoice is generated to distributor, ownership transfers to distributor. Distributor earns profit through margin on sales. Distributor supplies goods to local retailers, manages market demand, and collects payment from retailers. Now, let's understand the practical flow with example. Factory produces 10,000 units of a product. These goods are sent to CFA warehouse. CFA stores the goods and updates stock in system. Distributor places an order for 1,000 units. CFA prepares invoice and dispatches 1,000 units to distributor. After delivery, distributor stores goods in his go-down and supplies to retailers. Retailers sell to final customers. So the chain is factory to CFA or depot to distributor to retailer to customer. Now, let's understand key differences clearly. CFA does not purchase goods. Distributor purchases goods. CFA works on service charge basis. Distributor works on profit margin basis. CFA handles storage and dispatch. Distributor handles market sales and retailer supply. In interviews, if someone asks you, what is the difference between CFA and distributor, you can answer like this. CFA is a company-appointed warehouse that stores and dispatches goods on behalf of the company without owning stock. Distributor purchases goods from the company and sells to retailers to earn margin. Now let's talk about real office responsibilities. In CFA or depot operations, daily tasks include stock inward entry, dispatch planning, invoice generation, stock reconciliation, POD tracking, and transport coordination. In distributor operations, daily tasks include retailer order collection, sales planning, payment collection, scheme implementation, and market visit. Understanding this difference is very important if you want to grow in logistics or supply chain career. Many freshers get confused between CFA and distributor, but once you understand ownership, control, and role in the supply chain, everything becomes clear. So remember one simple formula. CFA stores and forwards. Depot controls company stock. Distributor buys and sells. I hope now you clearly understand what is CFA, depot, and distributor in real company operations. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical logistics and supply chain training. In the next video, I will explain real logistics process with Excel examples. Thank you.